Today we will be showing you how to install the Massimo Universal 60-inch UTV and ATV snow blower. Your snow blower will arrive crated just like shown here. It will include the universal mounting kit as pictured. For today's install, you will need the following tools. You will need a 5/8 socket, a 10mm socket, a 5/8 wrench, a 10mm wrench, a socket wrench, tape measure, and hammer. First, we will show you how to assemble the snow chute. Remove the chute mounting plate. You will remove 3 plates in total. You will need a 10mm socket and a 10mm wrench to complete this step. Place the chute facing forward. Install the 3 mounting plates that were removed during step 1 with a 10mm socket and 10mm wrench. Next, we will be installing the universal mounting plate to your unit. Note, depending on your make and model, some of these steps may vary and require adjustments. Place the 5/8 U-bolts in between the A-arms on the front part of the frame. Align the universal mounting plate to the 5/8 U-bolts placed in step 1 and hand tighten the nuts. Once the mounting plate has been installed, tighten the 5/8 nuts with a 5/8 wrench or socket. Once the mounting plate has been tightened down, inspect the clearance between the A-arm and the mounting plate. The minimum gap should be at least a 1/4 inch. Lastly, you will attach the snowblower to your vehicle utilizing the universal mounting plate. Align the snowblower to the universal mount and secure it with the lock pink pin. Attach the chain and tensioners to the front brush guard. Attach the winch cable to the snowblower. To do so, remove the cotter pin that holds the pulley in place. Slide the pin halfway out, just enough to place the winch cable under the pulley. Next, slide the pin back in place and secure it with the cotter pin. Hook the winch cable to the snowblower mount on the pivoting frame. Tighten the tension on the winch to test the snowblower attachment. Ensure it is properly secured to your vehicle before operation. Now you are ready to use your new Massimo snowblower.